Hey, I noticed that only about 1% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you enjoy the content I'm creating, consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for your support. Hey everyone, and today we're diving into the latest gaming powerhouse from Red Magic, the Red Magic 9s Pro. This device is the latest entry in Red Magic's lineup, renowned for creating some truly stellar gaming smartphones. Given their impressive track record, we couldn't pass up the opportunity to put this one to the test. The Red Magic 9s Pro is available now, starting at $649. With a range of impressive specifications, let's break down what makes this device stand out. First, let's discuss the hardware. The Red Magic 9s Pro comes in various color options, but the model we're showcasing features a striking reflective black surface. Priced at $649, this configuration includes a robust set of specs, though costs may rise with additional RAM and storage upgrades. The back of the device sports a dual camera setup, including an ultra-wide lens and a main sensor. This sleek design not only looks fantastic, but also serves a functional purpose. One of the standout features is the built-in cooling fan, a signature element of Red Magic devices. This fan is designed to keep your device cool during intense gaming sessions. It not only features LED lighting, but also has exhaust vents on either side, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. The fan's illumination is particularly cool, with a 9th logo in the bottom right-hand corner that lights up during gaming. It changes colors, which might be linked to the phone's temperature, though this is more of an educated guess on my part. The form factor of the Red Magic 9s Pro is a well-balanced rectangular shape that can stand upright on a flat surface. At the bottom of the device, you'll find a USB Type-C port that supports 80-watt fast charging. This allows the 6,500 mAh battery to be fully charged in approximately 35 minutes, which is excellent for prolonged gaming sessions. Additionally, the device features a gaming pass-through mode, allowing you to connect directly to a power source for uninterrupted gameplay without depleting the battery. This includes settings for games, various plugins, and other tweaks to optimize the device for gaming. The right side also houses touch-sensitive triggers, color-coded in blue and red, which are essential for a responsive gaming experience, especially in first-person shooters. The display on the Red Magic 9s Pro is another highlight. It features a 6.8-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The display boasts a maximum brightness of 600 nits and a resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels. Additionally, it has a 20/60Hz PWM dimming and a 520Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring both visual clarity and responsiveness. This makes it incredibly comfortable to use, whether you're swiping or tapping during intense gameplay. Under the hood, the Red Magic 9s Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with a GPU clocked at 1 GHz. This combination promises impressive performance, but how does it hold up in real-world gaming scenarios? Let's compare it with its predecessor, the Red Magic 9 Pro. In terms of CPU benchmarks, the Red Magic 9 Pro has a slight edge over the 9s Pro. However, the 9s Pro shows a significant improvement in GPU performance. This boost is evident when playing demanding games. We tested the device with popular titles such as Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and the new Metal Slug game. Starting with Call of Duty Mobile, the 9s Pro handled the game with ease, delivering smooth and responsive gameplay. In PUBG Mobile, running at ultra-extreme settings, the device achieved 120 FPS without breaking a sweat. Genshin Impact ran steadily at 60 FPS, though we noted that the device's temperature rose to about 40 to 41 degrees Celsius, which is consistent with expectations for high-performance gaming. Metal Slug also performed well, maintaining 60 FPS and providing a nostalgic yet enjoyable gaming experience. Warzone, however, presented some challenges. At the highest settings, we observed frame rates averaging around 45 FPS, with temperatures reaching up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, about 46 degrees Celsius. We then pushed the device to its limits using the Diablo mode, which is Red Magic's highest overclock setting. This allowed us to achieve up to 90 FPS in Warzone, but it came with a significant increase in temperature, reaching up to 117 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal cooling system struggled to manage these high temperatures, which was surprising given Red Magic's reputation for efficient cooling. To address this, we used the Red Magic Cooler 5 accessory. This cooler proved to be highly effective, reducing temperatures from 150 degrees Celsius to about 105 degrees Celsius. However, it's worth noting that the Cooler 5 is MagSafe compatible, but the Red Magic 9's Pro does not support a MagSafe connection natively. While there's an included MagSafe adapter, it's disappointing that the phone doesn't support this feature directly. Overall, the Red Magic 9's Pro is a robust gaming phone with impressive performance, but it doesn't offer a dramatic improvement over the Red Magic 9 Pro. The overclocked GPU is a notable feature for games like Call of Duty Warzone, but for most other games, the performance difference is minimal. If you're upgrading from a Red Magic 8, the 9's Pro may be worth considering. However, if you already own the 9 Pro, the upgrade might not be necessary unless you're looking for that extra GPU power. What are your thoughts on the Red Magic 9's Pro? Do you think it's worth the investment, or is it more of an incremental upgrade? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.